In this video, I'll guide you through how to make your resume private in Indeed. If you've uploaded your resume to Indeed and you're not quite sure who can see it, or you simply want a bit more control over your privacy, this walkthrough will show you exactly what to do step by step. We'll be doing this from the home dashboard, which is the main screen you see after signing in to your Indeed account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in first. Then you should land on your dashboard where you can see things like your saved jobs, recent searches, and recommended roles. From your home dashboard, the first thing you need to do is get to your account area. Look for your account section, usually at the top right of the page. This may appear as your profile picture, your initials, or a label for your account. Click that to open the account menu. In that menu, you should see an option related to your profile. Select your profile to open the page that shows your resume and personal details. Once you're on your profile page, you'll want to move into the resume settings. On this screen, you should see your resume information like your work history, education, and skills. Somewhere in this area, there will be a section or link for resume settings or visibility settings. Click into that. This is where you control who can view your resume on Indeed. Inside your resume settings, look for the visibility option. By default, many people have their resume set to public, which means employers using Indeed's tools can search for and view your resume details. If you want to restrict access, you'll need to change this setting. To make your resume private, turn off public visibility or choose the option labeled private. When you select private, your resume will no longer appear in public resume searches by employers on Indeed. You can still use it to apply for jobs, but it won't be browsable by companies who are just searching the resume database. This is useful if you only want employers to see your information when you directly apply, rather than having it open to general searches. Before you move away from this page, it's important to save your changes. After you select private or turn off the public toggle, look for a save or apply button on the resume settings page. Click save to confirm your new privacy setting. If you close the browser or navigate away without saving, your resume may remain public, so make sure this step is completed. Once you've saved, it's a good idea to quickly double check that the change went through. Still in your resume or profile area, confirm that the visibility now shows as private rather than public. If it does, you're all set. Your resume is now hidden from general employer searches and only shared when you choose to use it in an application. That's all there is to it. By going through your account, opening your profile, adjusting the resume visibility, and saving the change, you've taken control of who can see your information on Indeed.